This is clean, so that's telling us that the fit is so good the plastic can't get down the side, so that it can't cut, like it has physically no way to cut the plastic, because these are all like nice smooth bits, and it doesn't start melting it until more than 2/3 of the way down the screw. So our long bits like either have to like bend and wrap themselves all the way around. Our bits of plastic are shorter.
Very small.
Well, just like then these sections, right? Like they can be, you know, 8 or 5 millimeter.
And